So you want to put a GIF on your profile in Steam. It's really simple. What you have to do is go to Tenor, then you're gonna choose the GIF that you want, which in this case I want this one. Gonna right click on it, click on save image as. It's gonna save the type as GIF image, but if it's not as a GIF image, you're gonna choose it, then click on save and it's downloaded. Then you're gonna go to Steam, click on your account, then click on avatar. After that, you're gonna click on upload your avatar, then select the one you just downloaded, and click on save. And just like that, we have the GIF as our profile. And if anyone can see it from the outside, it's gonna seem as Homer going into the bushes or the GIF that you chose. And that's it.